Maytag front-load washers, particularly the MHW, MFW, and MHW8 series, manufactured between 2015 and 2022, frequently encounter a problem where they get stuck on the canceling cycle. The affected models include the MHW, MFU, and MHW8 series from 2015 to 2022. This issue typically occurs during the washer's drain routine, when the machine attempts to expel water from the drum. The washer tries to cancel the cycle, but gets stuck due to issues with the drain pump, door latch mechanism, or the control system. Problems with the electronic control board, such as faulty components or temporary glitches, can prevent the cycle from completing properly. This video will guide you through systematic troubleshooting steps to identify and resolve the canceling cycle problem. First, try a simple power reset. Unplug the washer from the outlet for 5 to 10 minutes. This clears temporary glitches in the electronic controls. Then plug it back in and try running a short cycle to see if the issue is resolved. The drain pump filter is often the cause of the canceling cycle issue. It's usually located at the bottom front of the washer, behind a small access panel. To access the filter, open the small access panel at the bottom front of the machine. Carefully remove the filter from its housing. Place a towel underneath to catch any water. Rinse the filter under running water to remove any lint, coins, or soap buildup. Clogs here prevent proper drainage. Once cleaned, reinstall the filter securely in its housing and close the access panel. Test the washer to ensure it drains properly. Maytag washers display error codes on their control panel when issues occur. These codes provide important clues about what's wrong with the machine. For example, the F8E1 code indicates a drain pump failure, which often means the pump is clogged or malfunctioning. Another common code is SUDS, which appears when there's excessive suds in the drum. The washer's manual lists all possible error codes and their meanings. Common codes include F5E1 for door lock issues, F6E1 for motor problems, and others related to water levels or sensors. You can also access diagnostic mode by pressing the lid lock switch repeatedly to get more detailed information about the problem. Always consult your washer's manual to understand the specific meaning of any displayed error code. This information helps you pinpoint the root cause and determine the best fix. If a power reset doesn't resolve the issue, perform a hard reset using a button sequence. The most common method involves pressing and holding the start-pause button and the power button simultaneously for 3 seconds. This sequence may vary depending on your washer model. Always refer to your owner's manual for the correct combinations specific to your machine. A hard reset can effectively clear deeper software glitches that a simple power reset might not address. A faulty door latch can also cause cycle issues. The washer may get stuck if it detects the door as open, even when it's properly closed. First, inspect the door latch mechanism for any visible damage or obstructions that might prevent proper latching. Make sure the door closes and latches securely. Test the mechanism by opening and closing the door several times to ensure it engages properly. If the latch appears damaged or obstructed, it may need cleaning or replacement to allow the cycle to complete normally. If basic troubleshooting steps like power resets and cleaning the drain pump filter don't resolve the canceling cycle issue, the problem likely lies with the washer's control board. The control board is the electronic brain of your Maytag washer, located behind the control panel. It manages all the cycle operations and can fail due to power surges, component wear, or manufacturing defects. Common symptoms of control board failure include the washer getting stuck on canceling cycles repeatedly, displaying error codes like F8E1 for drain issues, unresponsive control buttons, or unusual beeping patterns. Control board repairs typically require professional service technicians, as they involve diagnosing the board, testing components, and potentially replacing the entire control unit. Maytag officially recommends professional servicing for these replacements to ensure proper installation and avoid further damage. It's worth noting that a class action lawsuit settled in 2025 addressed faulty control boards in many Maytag front-load washers. If your unit is affected, repairs might be covered under an extended warranty or the settlement terms, potentially reducing or eliminating repair costs. When control board issues are suspected, contact Maytag customer service or an authorized appliance technician for proper diagnosis and repair. Professional repairs for control board replacement typically cost between $150 and $400, depending on your location and warranty coverage. Preventative maintenance, such as monthly filter cleaning, can reduce the occurrence of canceling cycle issues by up to 70%. Regularly inspecting and cleaning the drain pump filter prevents clogs that cause the washer to get stuck. Smart diagnostics are emerging in Maytag's 2024 to 2026 models, with AI-driven apps that notify users of impending drain issues through predictive alerts, helping prevent cycles from getting stuck. Future trends show a shift toward hybrid washer models that combine front-load water efficiency with top-load reliability to address pump clogs, along with AI-driven self-diagnosis that will minimize the need for manual resets by 2030.